Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a property that was recently reduced in price. Have you always wanted to wake up with a view of the ocean? Well, now you can. In the upscale community of Spring Valley St. Mary, this house awaits you. It comes with 7 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms, completed on the outside with incomplete sections on the inside, ready for you to create your dream home or guest house. This property has been designed to be used as a single or multi-family home with separate entrances if desired. With 5,500 square feet, this property can be partitioned into 3 individual, self-contained private dwellings. The bottom unit is currently tenanted and mostly complete. The middle floor has some finishings, with the top floor totally incomplete. The property sits on 0.97 acre of land, with some of the most beautiful views you will have seen of the ocean and surrounding area, being offered at a very reasonable price to go, allowing the buyer the affordability to complete their dream project. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 345,000 or Jamaican $53 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.